Alright, everybody in YouTube land, since we've got this coronavirus scare and everybody's out of hand sanitizer and wipes and everything else, I decided to make a quick video on how to make your own hand sanitizer. It's really simple. All you need is hand gel or gel. I just went and bought the cheap stuff at Walmart, Equate. Soothing gel for sunburns, but it's just aloe vera gel and coloring. 91% alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I just grabbed an empty soft soap container. As you can see, I've already added some of the mixture just to do a test. But it's really simple. I actually took the pump off of the soft soap, put it on the alcohol, and it's a 3-to-1 mixture of alcohol and gel. So take and pump 1, 2, 3. Actually, it's a 2-to-1. So then you just go 1, you can go 2, and then we'll go 4. Now you got your 2-to-1. Close enough, right? Put the cap back on, shake it up, mix it around. Voila, you got your hand sanitizer. Once again, just use the Equate gel, cheap aloe vera gel, whatever you want. Aloe vera gel is aloe vera gel. This obviously has some dye in it, so it's green. 91% rubbing alcohol, regular container, and 2-to-1. So 2 pumps of alcohol, 1 pump of gel. Gives it pretty good consistency. And it gets your, I guess they want 60% alcohol content in the mixture from the CDC or whatever.